Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. As a skincare junkie, I have been actually trying a lot of different skincare hacks that I saw from the internet. Some worked, some didn't. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite skincare hacks that actually worked for my skin. I think most of my favorite skincare hacks are pretty inexpensive to do and very easy to follow. You can actually try it at home. So I hope this video can be of some help for your skin. So without further ado, let's jump on to the first one. The first hack is actually wear your moisturizer. Never skip your moisturizer in your skincare routine. This is actually the golden rule for all skin types. In your AM and PM skincare routines, you want to use a moisturizer. And whenever you cleanse your skin, wash your face, you want to moisturize your skin again. For me, I have dry skin. Whenever I feel dryness or dehydration, I moisturize my skin again. It's also important to apply a moisturizer before your makeup. This is the moisturizer that I've been using and really worked for my skin. It's Medature PSL Repair Moisturizer. This is actually the number 4 product in the skincare line. This moisturizer actually simplified my skincare routine. I don't need much, just a little product, a little moisturizer goes a long way. This is actually my second bottle from Medature and I've been using their products, and this moisturizer is my go-to product for my everyday skincare routine. If this is new to you, Medature is a skincare brand backed by science and inspired by the harmony of nature. By saying that, I mean their products are very innovative. They use cutting-edge technology for their formulations. Their products and the formulas are developed by the leading cosmetic labs in the world, and they are tested and proven by dermatologists. I'm so glad this brand makes effective and dermatologist-proven products accessible to everyday consumers like me. This Medature PSL Repair Moisturizer is a nutrient-rich but lightweight moisturizer, which is formulated with Medature's exclusive technology, this PSL technology, to repair and restore the skin's overall barrier function and enhance the moisture balance. I also like this airtight package. It keeps the content clean and also it's very easy to use. The texture of the moisturizer, as you can see, is pretty creamy and absorbs very well, very quickly on the skin. For the ingredient, it's got ceramide MP, squalane, macadamia oil, vitamin E, aloe vera leaf extract, and niacinamide. It's actually a very effective protection layer for the skin. With all the skin-loving ingredients, this moisturizer offers multiple benefits to the skin. It's anti-aging, it's nourishing, it fights against environmental damage, inflammation, and the loss of elastin. I use this product as the last step of my nighttime skincare routine. Just apply gently onto dry, cleansed skin to keep my skin hydrated and moisturized overnight. The skin feels soft and supple immediately after use. I see firmer looking skin and also the complexion is more radiant. Over time, I think this skincare hack has been helping my skin like so much, especially with the right product. Hack number 1, wear your moisturizer. This is very simple. You can easily incorporate it into your skincare routine, but you have to be consistent. You'll see great results, especially with the right product. Hack number 2, hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water or eating enough water. This one is very obvious. I know a lot of you already know about 8 glasses of water every day, but I think the amount of water that you really need every day depends on your lifestyle, your body weight, and whether you're living, and a lot of other factors. For me, I kind of drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Sometimes I add electrolytes if I sweat a lot. Drinking water, okay, it's very simple. Everybody knows how to do it, but it's very hard to be consistent and really stick to the plan every day. It's just so hard for the execution. So here are some of my tips. First of all, I use this bottle with time code on it. So I drink about 2 bottles like this every day. So this is like a very general guideline. Sometimes if I lag behind, I'll catch up in the next 2 hours. Sometimes if I consume a lot of water already, and I'll just slow down like a little bit. For example, if I eat a lot of watermelon before lunch, and I'll just cut down on the hydration from this bottle. If you don't like the plain taste of your water, you can always add like electrolytes flavored, or you can do fruit infused water just to boost your appetite for a large bottle of water. And also you want to take a bottle with you, just keep it accessible whenever you feel like it, maybe at home, in your office, in the car, on the go. So whenever you feel like a little bit more hydration, you always have access to a bottle. And another tip I think it's very helpful for you to stay on track for the hydration is to set up a schedule. Let's say follow your morning skincare routine, you drink some water, or before or after your meal you drink your water. So this is like your little hydration routine every day. You can set up whatever schedule you feel like to fit your lifestyle. Stay hydrated is actually something that I learned from pregnancy. So when I was pregnant and I tried to, drink enough water for the baby, but it really helps my skin and eventually it helps the metabolism. So you can remove any toxin from your system like quickly by drinking enough water. Hack number 3, I think this one is super important. It's very effective, at least for me, but it's oftentimes ignored. I don't know why. Avoid hot water for face cleansing. The truth is, hot water is actually bad for your skin. I know a lot of us are still washing our face with very hot water these days, but you should totally stop doing it. Hot water actually strips your skin of its natural moisture and oils, so this can cause your skin to dry out. And your dry skin over time will lead to like a compromised skin barrier. That's when you have more aggregated and more serious skin concerns. If you really don't like cold water, and I would recommend that you use lukewarm water instead of hot water. Lukewarm water is still pretty effective in cleansing, but it's not gonna damage your skin barrier. If you can stand the coldness, you can do a few splash of cold water after you cleanse. It's great for radiant complexion. Hack number 4, I think this one is one of my personal favorites because I've been using this technique for my skincare when I was young. Gua sha or jade roller. And these are my gua sha tools, and this is my jade roller that I've been using, and I think a lot of you may have been seeing me using these tools in my videos. Yes, this is one of the top hacks that really worked for my skin. Gua sha, this treatment is a great option for depuffing and increase the blood flow on your skin, which is really important. And it's one of the most ancient Chinese skincare techniques. It worked for a lot of different things like health, wellness. Gua sha is kind of an experience, like personalized experience, and you can use this treatment to reduce inflammation. You can use it to promote healing and also increase the blood circulation, the blood flow. As I understand, this is more like a passive exercise for your skin, so you can do it occasionally or you can integrate into your everyday skincare routine. And I think gua sha is great for tension relief. It's like a drainage facial massage where you see immediate result, like a more sculpted face after doing gua sha. Gua sha might sound like a little bit intimidating for beginners, but it's actually very easy to follow, very easy to do at home. Just pick the right tool. You can do the gua sha tool or you can do the jade roller. In my opinion, they're not like hugely different. And you can use any facial oil to lubricate to avoid friction, and then you can just do it for a few minutes every day or just occasionally whenever you need a boost for blood circulation or you want to do the sculpting. So pretty easy. Hack number 5, it's something that I recently tried and I made it to my routine. Now I feel like it's so effective. Cleanse your skin whenever you sweat. Cleansing, by no means should be limited to twice a day. Like in your AM and PM routines, these are essential, these are must. But whenever you break a sweat, you need to clean, you need to wash your face. The dirt, the oil, and the sweat will stick to your skin after it's dried and also will clog your pores and also affect the pH balance of your skin. If you skip the cleansing, the toxins on the surface of your skin will be reabsorbed into your skin. You know, it's really damaging, right? And the best thing to do is to thoroughly cleanse your skin after you sweat with lukewarm water and apply a moisturizer. Hack number 6. This one is commonly known, but not everyone can really stick to it. Sun protection. I don't think I need to overly explain it in the video because everybody knows what damage sun exposure can do to the skin. Hyperpigmentation, premature aging, or even skin cancer. This is scary. Assuming that you are already wearing a sunscreen and you reapply every 2 to 3 hours to, keep it up, here are more things that you can do. You can wear a hat, you can wear your sunglasses, and you can stay in the shade. So don't ignore the fact that you can do some physical things, physical actions to protect your skin. It's more than just skincare products. Hack number 7, I think this one was mentioned in my previous video about sleep quality, and it's got a lot of good things to do for the skin as well, so I want to mention again. Change your pillowcase and sheet regularly. It's highly recommended by a lot of skincare experts that you change your pillowcase and your bed sheet like regularly once a week. This is ideal, but if you can keep it up, at least I think once every 2 weeks. If you already have acne or breakouts on your skin, constantly, you definitely should try this hack. No matter what kind of fabric that you use, what kind of material that you use for your pillowcase, you want to make sure they're clean. You can use linen, cotton, satin, or silk. I would recommend that you use satin or silk pillowcase to have minimal friction against your skin and to retain moisture of your skin overnight. But if you like other materials, it's fine. And make sure they are clean. Sleeping on clean fabrics can help you prevent any congested skin, any clogged pores. So eventually you will have less breakouts and acne on the skin. And some experts even recommend that you change the pillow, the insert, like once a year or once every 2 years, just to make sure the insert is clean as well. I think this is one of the major changes that I did in recent years. It really helped me maintain clean, clear skin. Okay, here comes my hack number 8. It's also for the bedroom, for the bedtime routine. Use a humidifier in the bedroom. I'm actually filming in my bedroom. It's a very deep room. I have almost 800 square feet in this room, so pretty spacious. I put 2 humidifiers in this room overnight. I put them on for like 4 hours before sleep to boost the moisture in the space. Humidifiers are really effective at preventing moisture loss of your skin. So when there is not enough moisture in the space, in the air will draw moisture from your skin. That's why you feel like your skin is dry. So running humidifiers in the bedroom means you are adding moisture to the air so that it maintains the hydration of your skin, of your hair, and you won't get any itchy, dry skin next morning. For example, I have dry skin and my daughter has sensitive skin. Our skin, like both, got improved when we add humidifiers to this room. If you're living in like a relatively dry weather, this is so essential. You should definitely try this hack. If you have dry skin, if you have itchy skin or sensitive skin, this is a must. Okay, so these are my favorite skincare hacks that actually worked for my skin. Some are like more talked about, like more viral on the internet, and some are like less talked about, but these are the things that actually work for me. So if you're looking at similar skin concerns or similar situations for your skincare routine, I would highly recommend you try some of these hacks. So I have all the products and tools mentioned in this video linked in the description down below, along with some of the resources that I use. And you can find my favorite moisturizer, Medature PSL Repair Moisturizer, and other products. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!